Alright troops, how's you doing man? A friend of mine said that I didn't tell you how to open Unity and how to set it up properly, so this is what this video is gonna do. It's gonna totally show you how to do stuff like download Visual Studio Community Edition, and the best thing about that, by the way, is it's free. You're not nicking it. Microsoft are giving it away, which is like the best thing, Ken. And so there's that, and then you need to like install another Unity package to get it done. It's like a plugin or something, and so we'll do that as well, and then I'll show you how to fire it up, and then you'll all be ready for it. That's it's totally that, man. What else am I going to do in this video? That's it. So stay tuned after the fade and all that, because what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to set up your environment. I think is that what they call it, environment. So we'll show you how to do that. So thanks very much for watching. If you like this and you want to watch more videos, then please subscribe. There's a wee link down the bottom there. Usually there's a wee link down the bottom. And if not, then you can leave a comment below if you like this video, and if you don't like this video, then leave a comment as well. All comments, criticisms are welcome as long as they are constructive, because if they're not constructive, that's just a personal attack, and that's no funny. So thanks very much, troops, for listening, and we'll see you after the fade. Alright guys, you probably noticed my mum told me to get my hair cut, so I've had to get my hair cut, so can't you believe it, man? I was totally growing it out and everything, but she's like, get your hair cut. Right, anyways, you'll be wanting to fire in here Visual Studio 2013 Community. There you go, and it says free dev tools. You want to go ahead there and then click on download. Download is totally going to give you a wee installer type thing, so it will say vscommunity.exe, and save the file. Always save the file. Don't run it for in there, because bad things will happen again. I didn't care what bad things, but they kept telling you bad things will happen, but never mind. So you'll see a wee download arrow up there if you're using Firefox. If you're not using Firefox, by the way, you'll need to figure out how to do this yourself, but this is Firefox. So click on that thing there, and you'll see Visual Studio, and then you've got an option there clicking in the wee folder thing, and that you can open the containing folder and just find out where it is. But I just click on it like that, and then it will fire up, and it will say Visual Studio. It takes a wee while, by the way. So there's a couple of things here, right? Obviously I've been installing stuff like this, so I can't go ahead with this, but all you do is like click stuff, click, go on, and it will fire it up, and it will put it in your machine, and you don't have to worry about nothing. It's perfect. So there's that. And then the next thing you need to do is you need to do a wee search up here for Visual Studio Unity plugin. So the Visual Studio tools for Unity, unityvs.com. So Microsoft, they bought this company called Syntax Tree, and these guys were belting, man. They were awesome, and they were really fantastic. And they did like a plugin for Unity, and the one you're looking for, because we just downloaded the 2013 version of it, is you're looking for Visual Studio 2013 tools for Unity. So you go ahead and click that link there, and then once you click that link, it'll take you to the Microsoft website, which is totally bizarre, but never mind. And then click on download, and again Firefox will fire up a wee window there, and you install it and all that kind of stuff. So you click on save file. Once again, you'll see the wee clock kicking down there, and then it'll get to 1 second, and then you get the wee arrow, and it says that's you. Your downloads are ready, and you click on that, and that installs it. Now that actually puts that into a wee minute here. I've got a window up here. So it actually puts it into, if you look inside here, by the way, I'll file that over there. So it'll put it into Visual Studio Tools for Unity. So it'll be in your your main hard drive, Ken, and then it'll be in your program files, x86. It's not a 64-bit program, right? It's no 64-bit, it's x86, which means it's no 64-bit, it's 32-bit. And then you'll find there's one here called Microsoft Visual Studio Tools for Unity. And then you'll find two folders usually, one for 2012 and another one for 2013. And then that contains the Unity package, alright? So, how do you get that into Unity? Well, you fire up Unity. So luckily I've got a version of Unity fired up here. So that's us, we've got our standing assets, we've got all that kind of stuff. But the thing is, if I create a wee folder here called scripts, and then I create another one called just dummy, like that. So if I fire this up now, it's gonna fire up Visual Studio because I've got mine set up. But how do you do it? Well, what you need to do is you get a copy of this, right? Copy that address there, right? And then you go back to Unity. So you click back to Unity and you go to Assets, Import Package, Custom Package, and then you put in the address up here. So you fire that in there and you go like that, and then you click on that and you click on Open, and it will tell you what ones you need to put in there. So it will say Unity VS, Editor, blah blah blah, and all that kind of stuff. And you click on Import and job done. It's just like that. And what that will do is, if you go over to your Preferences, External Tools, and you see that it's got Unity VS, Open File, and then it puts in the args there, as they call it, args. Jason and the args. Totally belting, man. Aye, so they put that in there instead of your standard mono develop, which is built into Unity, which isn't very good in my humble opinion. So anyway, that's how you set your Unity up for your Visual Studios and all that. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, I'm over there. You want to click on the wee subscribe button down there. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to drink your brew. The brew's good for you. Cheers, boys and girls, lads and lasses.